In this video, we're going to discuss the delivery dispatch function within Supermenu POS. The delivery dispatch function is used to tie delivery orders to a driver. First, what we'll do is we'll create a delivery order. We'll use an existing customer that we know we have already got. Go to delivery. And we'll notice on the delivery screen we've got the customer's full name and phone number and their full address. This information prints on both the kitchen and the customer receipt so that the driver knows where to deliver this to. We'll also notice that down here on the bottom there is a delivery charge. This delivery charge is set up on the restaurant setup screen, and there is another video that describes how to do that. We're going to take a real quick order here. Okay, we can pay this order if the customer is paying over the phone, or we can do send. When we do send or pay, it'll actually send the order to the kitchen to be made. Once that order is completely made and ready for delivery, your drivers will go into the dispatch function from this screen, or from the main screen, go into the delivery dispatch button over here. What this shows us is all of the delivery orders that are waiting to be sent out. Also, on the right side are all of the drivers. Now, a driver is in this field if they are defined as a driver in the employee setup and if they are also clocked in. The buttons in the middle, Manager Assign, will allow a manager to assign orders to drivers. If the drivers themselves are going to select the orders that they're going to be delivering, then they'll use the Self-Assign button. Driver Bank shows us what's in the driver's staff bank. Maps will give us a location of this order. We would select this order and then click Maps. It would take us to Google Maps, showing us the location of where this delivery address is. Directions will also go to Google Maps, but this time it will also take the address of the restaurant from the restaurant setup screen and use that as a from location, and the location that we're delivering this order to as a to location, and it will give you step-by-step instructions. For right now, we're going to select one of our drivers and do a self-assign. We now see that that order is not shown anymore, and we'll see that our driver is now on the bottom under dispatched. As a manager, you can come down to show status. I think we have to select. And it shows that this driver went out with one order, and this is where they're going. We can also go to orders by drivers. And what this will show us is all of the orders that we've got, and we can filter them by certain drivers. So if we go to Diane, it'll show just the orders that Diane has. An order in red has already been delivered. If it's already in red, it is waiting for the driver to do a money drop. Down at the bottom, we can look at the driver's bank. We can go back to maps or directions, the same as before. Money drop, we'll get to in a minute. Reassign. If this driver decides that they want to reassign this delivery to a different driver, this is where they would do this. Unassign means that there is no driver to reassign this to. It's just this driver can no longer make this delivery. They'll unassign it from themselves and make this order available for another driver. Once this driver has made the delivery and has come back, the first thing that they're going to do is to go to driver check-in. We'll select the driver and go to driver check-in. We'll see that this driver is now available to accept another delivery order. And this driver can continue this cycle throughout the day. If your restaurant wants your drivers to do a money drop after every single order, they can come into the orders by drivers and come down to the money drop screen. If we go to money drop and put the ID of the driver in, we would select the driver and the date that we're looking at, and it will show all of the open orders for this driver. The driver will select one of the orders, come down to the bottom, hit the pay button, and make a payment for this. We'll then see that this order is now green, meaning that it's settled, and they can go and settle their next order. Now this driver has made all of the payments for all of the deliveries that they've made. For more information videos on Supermenu POS, visit our website at bankcardpos.com.